Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I thought in the previous video we have tried writing into the notepad or we have seen how to type into notepad. Now the next thing I thought, is there a way in Python using which I can increase the font size of the text after I have typed? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So let's see how this can be done. In this video, you have seen how to type into Hello World in detail. In this one, I have made a bit of modification. For the time sleep, I have created a variable delay equals to time dot sleep I have written. And then I'm giving the times here for the delay variable. Here I'm giving 1 second, here I'm giving 2 seconds. That is the only modification done from this video that you have watched. Now let's see how can I open the font change window. Now if you look at the notepad, you need to click on format and click on font, right, to get to this particular window. So how can you really open it using Python, right? Using Python, the same mouse clicks that we are doing, similar way, is there a way to open it? So let's see. Remember, there are always ways. So if I ask you, do not use your mouse, simply use it, your keyboard, and open it. So how do you do it? For example, I'll press Alt. The moment you press Alt, what happens? Do you see this underlines coming? Under F there is a small underline, under O there is an underline. That means it is telling you to open format. Once you have pressed Alt, you need to click on O, Alt O. Or simply if you type Alt O, let's say it is normally like this. The moment I am doing a Alt O, right, the moment I do this, even this window is coming. Let's say I want to go to font, then I'm pressing F. So what is happening? The font window has come. Let's say I want to go to the size, right? So I will say S, Alt S, right? So you can see it is coming to the size. So using the keyboard itself, you can go to that specific window, right? So if this is the case, is there a way to do that in Python? It's actually easy. Here I am using this alias P, which stands for Python Auto Graphical User Interface library. So I'm using that P alias name dot, and I'm going to use another method called hotkey. So what is the difference between press? Press means you're pressing a single key at a time. Windows, you are typing something, right? Or you are hitting on enter. But hotkey means you can send a combination of different keys. For example, here I want to send Alt plus, so that you write a comma for that Alt, and then I have to send O, comma, then I need to send F. You saw, right? Let me reopen the notepad. So first we did Alt, then we went for O, then we have to type F, right? F, and then we have to go for S. If you hit on Alt, you can see S is highlighted. So F and S, okay? So I'm writing F, comma, S. So this is the technique. Look at it. What's going to happen now? Let me close that notepad and I'm going to run this. So what's going to happen now? It has typed notepad, it has opened notepad, it is typing inside the notepad, and you can see it has opened, and here it has highlighted under the size, it has highlighted. Now here I have to enter some value. That means I want to write some value. Getting it? So this one is understood how this one is working. So it is sending combination of keys together. Hotkey is all about that, when you have to send multiple keys together. So this one we have understood. Now the next thing, I need to write it. So for write, I have already taught you in the previous this one. You have to use this write function. See, here we have done that, right? Write notepad, the same thing. And here, let's say I would like to give 100. The font value should be 100. So it has to be kept in string. Done. Now let's save this and do a run. Let's see what's going to happen. So notepad is fine. It has typed hello world, fine, opened it, and you can see it has typed 100. After that, I have to click OK. So the moment you have to click OK, there is also an alternative. So what is the alternative for this? To click OK, the alternative is quite simple. I have to say P dot press, and I am going to press. Press means it's going to hit the enter key, so it understand press enter. If I write, it is going to hit the enter key. That is the meaning with this function, right? So press dot enter. When I do, look at it, what's going to happen. Okay, let me run it. Notepad, great, typed it nice, and you can see the font has been changed and it has been clicked OK. Okay, so this is how you done. Now the next question I have it for you, right? How do you save it? Right, how do you save it? For example, file, save as. So here you got the key, you already got the clue. So try to save it and let me know if you are able to write the code. If you are successful, simply type the comment successful, so that I know that you have typed it and you have done this exercise. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to meet once again in our next video. Please do give it a like to this content and do subscribe to the channel in case you have not done it already. Thank you. We're going to meet once again in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.